In this quick video, I'll show you how to block a website on your iPhone device. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Now to do this, we first have to go into settings. Now once here, we want to go to screen time. Now, if you don't have screen time enabled, you just want to go and enable this feature. And once you do, you can then go down to content and privacy restrictions. Now once here, we go to content restrictions and then tap on web content. So by default, it's set to unrestricted. However, if we want to block a particular website, we can do this by tapping on limit adult websites. And this will also kind of limit other X-rated websites as well. However, if you're looking to kind of block a particular URL, you can do this by going add website. And then you can just put in the website domain. So facebook.com as an example. Now, if I go to Safari and try and load Facebook, as you can see, it's not allowing me access to that particular website. So there you have it, guys. Nice, easy, and quick. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.